today I will be playing Airport Tycoon with Ashton. Okay, Ashton, I'm coming for ya! This is Ashton's first time playing, so I'm going in my stunt plane. And that's right, stunt plane to pick him up. So yeah, so I'm over here doing twirls and stuff. I'm in stunt mode. Let's go out of stunt mode. And he's going to stick
Remember
the
UFO
land.
tycoon simulator?
Oh yeah.
That was pretty fun.
Yeah.
This is similar.
Yeah, because I mean you do fly. There's a new update where there's like burgers and you can even color your ships. Well, that's the newest update that I know of. Okay, coming in on your tycoon, which is right there. Kohola Airport. Which does sound like a pretty dumb name. Okay, guys, we're coming in. I kind of see it, and I kind of don't. Oh, Jesus. What? Wait. Ah! Oh. I went the wrong way. That wasn't the right place. I meant to go for the red airplane. Instead, I went into like an Air Force base that I have. So, oh, I hate this. I hate this like so bad. You don't know how much I hate this. And then I'll show you to my rocket. I have a whole rocket, Ashton, literally. So here's my stunt plane. Engine on. Let's go! Time to fly. Okay, so that's not it. That's it. Okay. And we're actually pretty close. Don't want to hit the water. And I'm not going in, and I'm only showing you stunt mode, so I'm not going into stunt mode because it's kind of hard. This is meant for stunt mode. Oh, I see you. Oh, I see you. I'm going down! Stop the instant. Stop the stupid. Oh, that was not supposed to happen. Hi. Oh yeah, there's my airplane in the water. It actually fell like way down there. Like.
I'm swimming in the water.
I know. Okay, dude, I'm gonna go reset and stick the landing this time. Oh, there's my purple farts again. Remember my purple farts?
Yeah, I have purple farts too.
Oh.
What?
Wait, purple farts or red farts?
Purple.
What? You have your red avatar on. Okay, guys, so I need to do this again. I've tried like 10 times. And now that I've been trying like 8 of those times to go over to the wrong place. So, okay. I actually see your airport already, Ashton, so we're in luck. Okay. Close down the flaps. Oh, Jesus. Oh, jeez. Only the engine. I'll put back on the flaps. Oh, no. Help. Oh, my gosh. Gotta be slick with this. And he doesn't stick the landing at all. Stall! Oh, my!
Stop, you're falling down.
I went into the water so hard that I died. Literally, you don't usually die in the water. I went in the water so hard that I died, Ashton. Literally. That is so hilarious. Get into the step plane. Engine on. Let's go. Time to fly, Sunny. Jesus, fly. Fly, dum-dum, fly. Okay, guys. So, this time we're actually going, like, even faster. Look. Going down. Let's go down. Down. Oh, Jesus. I went into step mode. I did not mean to do that. Go. Engine. No, engine on. Oh, I'm on stall. I don't know why, but I'm on stall. I'm having a stall. And like last time, I hit the ground. I hit the water so hard that I died. What is going on with my life? This is so hard. Maybe I should choose a different airplane. Let's choose an E-car. That isn't even an airplane. I'm going with the starter plane. We're talking business when I talk about the starter plane here. Let's go for a little ride, boys. Okay, finally we are in the correct course. No, not step mode. No. And then after I show you my actual stunt plane, I'm gonna show you my rocket, Ashton. I literally have my own rocket. Isn't that sick? Okay. I'm just riding. I do not mean business. This is official. So this is how I got this airplane. This is official business. Let me get on this airplane. And then I got it. Oh, right. I stole this airplane. Whoever's out there looking for it. They are not knowing that I'm literally on an island. On an airport. So I'm over here just flying to Ashton. I'm coming for you, Ashton. I'm going down. Going down a bit. Going down a bit. A bit here, okay? When I say business, I mean business. Did you just jump in the water? Dude, I see you. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. And he sticks the landing. Engine off. Finally! Finally! Exit.
I'm hopping on with ya.
Oh my gosh. Get into starter plane. Oh, Jesus. Okay, get into the passenger seat. There's a passenger
Where is
seat.
the passenger seat?
Okay, whatever.
How do you even get in a plane?
Okay, here it is. So, are you in?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'll show. And I have step mode on this plane, so time to die, Sonny. Okay, we're going to my tycoon, guys. After like 10 billion tries. Whoa. Okay. This turns slower. I just noticed that this turns slower. Okay, I don't really like stunt mode on this one because it turns slower. My stunt plane turns way more faster. And so we're going to, do you see it? It's the green airplane on the mark of the map. Yeah, you already see it. We're going towards it. Oh jeez, we're losing speed. Oh, the speed is going down. We're going over stuff. Ashton, I don't know why, but the speed is kind of going down and up. Yeah, we're losing speed, Ashton. We're gaining speed. We need to hurry. Let's go down. We're going down some. We're making it. We're gonna make history. Oh, that's just my pirate island that I have. Pirates working there mining it. This is my main part, the main part of my tycoon. And last. Andy. Oh, Jesus! Did you make it?
Yes.
We're here! Okay, this is epic. Yeah. Welcome to my tycoon. I was just using the starter plane. Here's where the actual plane gets started here. I have an actual plane. Let me respawn that. That actually kind of spawned really bad. Okay. I'm gonna show you. Now, come on. I'm gonna show you. Dude. I'm not in there. I'm over here. Ashton. So I'm gonna show you my stunt plane now. It is sick. Don't get distracted. Bad. I even have my own Tokyo. Oh, what the heck just happened? I'm in the water under something. I'm in the water under grass. I just spawned right there. Am I in my Tokyo? Oh, jeez. I'm in the Tokyo area. I help. Help. A little help here. Okay, I'm just gonna reset. I know oh my god. Did you see me in the water? Oh my gosh, Ashton. Don't reset. It will not spawn you at my tycoon. I do not want to go 10 times. Go back in the portal. Oh no. Are you... Oh, I see your purple farts. Oh no. I'll help you up. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. So that just happened. Let's just pretend like nothing happened. Okay, now that I'm better at airplanes, I'm bringing my stunt plane. Okay. I'm bringing my stunt plane over. You want an airplane now?
What are you even making it?
Well, there's this piece of land that you have to buy to get one. You only have the starter area. You need the experience area.
Look at me. I'm building up the tycoon.
Okay, good. Because I'm coming. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, my God. Turn the engine back on, stupid. Oh, no. That did not end well. Since this video is getting way too long, I'm just going to stop this one and film another one straight away.